Imagine walking into a restaurant where robots take your order, smart screens suggest your meal, and your food is prepared to perfection by AI-driven kitchens. In this world, human hands are barely needed, but does it mean they're no longer wanted? The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, in the restaurant industry is transforming the dining experience in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. But with convenience and innovation come big questions about the future of work, human touch, and how we connect over food. In this article, we'll explore 1. The rise of AI in restaurants. AI and automation aren't just trends. They're an industry shift that's redefining efficiency, cost saving, and customer experience in restaurants. From fast food giants rolling out order-taking robots to fine dining using AI-driven precision in kitchens, AI is transforming how food is prepared, ordered, and enjoyed. But how did we get here? This journey began with simple automated kiosks, which allowed customers to place orders quickly and accurately. Fast forward to today, and we have advanced robots capable of multitasking in the kitchen, from food prep to cooking to even precise plating. This AI evolution isn't only about speed, it's also about meeting modern diners' demands for customization and personalization. We'll look at how these AI advancements continue to shape the dining experience, altering the landscape for both restaurant operators and guests. 2. Robotic chefs and bartenders. If you think your kitchen appliances are smart, wait until you meet today's robotic chefs and bartenders. These advanced machines do more than just follow recipes. They execute complex dishes with pinpoint accuracy, bringing a new level of consistency that's challenging for humans to maintain in fast-paced kitchens. As robotic chefs handle everything from chopping to plating, they promise quicker service and, in many cases, lower costs, making AI-driven dining potentially more affordable. But where does this leave human creativity? Some worry that the artistry of cooking, spontaneous adjustments, intuitive seasoning, and inventive presentation could be lost in the process. And do people actually want food prepared entirely by machines? For many diners, knowing that a human chef is behind the dish adds a layer of connection and appreciation. Can robotic chefs meet these expectations, or will there always be a demand for human creativity and warmth in the culinary experience? 3. Self-ordering kiosks and digital waitstaff. Self-ordering kiosks are now a fixture in quick-service restaurants, aiming to cut down wait times while giving customers control over their orders. With just a few taps, diners can select, customize, and pay for their meals without waiting for human assistance. Some restaurants go a step further, using AI-driven algorithms to suggest personalized recommendations based on customers' past choices or trending items. While these technologies streamline the ordering process, they raise the question, what about the personal touch? The cheerful interaction with a server who knows your preferences, makes tailored suggestions, or simply adds a warm smile. These are the qualities that make dining out special for many people. Can an AI-powered ordering system truly replace this experience, or will we see a blend of digital and human service where both enhance the dining journey in unique ways? 4. Data-driven kitchens. AI's real superpower lies in data processing and application. In today's modern kitchens, AI doesn't just help with cooking, it manages ingredients, adjusts recipes, and even tracks food inventory to minimize waste. This data-driven approach helps restaurant owners cut costs and improve quality by using AI to monitor freshness and adjust recipes based on real-time conditions. For customers, this means more consistently high-quality dishes and a smaller environmental footprint, as AI reduces food waste and optimizes portion sizes. However, data use in the kitchen can also raise privacy concerns. As restaurants collect more information about customer preferences and dining patterns, some may wonder, where is my data going, and how is it being used? Balancing efficiency with respect for customer privacy is likely to become a crucial consideration for data-driven dining experiences. 5. Human jobs at risk? With AI's growing presence, what does the future hold for traditional restaurant staff, like chefs, servers, and managers? While automation opens doors to new, tech-focused roles within restaurants, it may reduce the need for certain entry-level positions. At the same time, some argue that AI could reshape rather than replace these roles, transforming them into opportunities for skill development in areas like AI oversight, maintenance, and customer experience optimization. As restaurants integrate more tech, there may be a shift toward roles that blend human interaction with AI facilitation. This evolution could lead to a redefined workforce within the hospitality industry, but it also leaves the question open. Can everyone adapt to this change, and will AI reduce accessible job opportunities for those who thrive in traditional restaurant roles? 6. Can AI satisfy human appetite? Food isn't just fuel, it's part of our culture, memories, and social interactions. There's a special satisfaction in a meal prepared by someone who's passionate about their craft, served with a personal touch that makes the experience memorable. AI may offer unmatched efficiency, but can it replicate the warmth and connection of a human-hosted dining experience? Many diners appreciate not just the food but the care and attention that go into it. This section explores the deeper question. As AI continues to evolve, can it bridge the gap between utility and emotional connection? Or will humans always crave a dining experience that speaks to the heart as much as to the palate? 7. Ethical and social implications. Lastly, AI in dining raises ethical and social questions. Can restaurants create a balanced approach that combines efficiency and empathy, ensuring customers don't feel alienated or overly surveilled? The increased use of AI brings new challenges around data privacy, job displacement, and even inclusivity. As we integrate advanced technology into traditionally human-centered roles, it's crucial to consider the impact on communities and individuals. This section will dive into how restaurants can navigate these complex issues, seeking a path that preserves the heart of hospitality while embracing the efficiencies AI offers. How restaurants manage this balance could determine whether AI-enhanced dining feels exciting and welcoming or cold and impersonal. A new chapter in dining, but not the end of the story. As AI steps into the world of restaurants, it's undeniable that our dining experiences will change. The charm of convenience, the thrill of innovation, and the promise of efficiency are reshaping how we eat, how restaurants operate, and how hospitality itself is defined. Yet, as we've explored, the question of whether humans are truly being replaced goes beyond the technology itself. It challenges us to consider what we value in our interactions with food and each other. Will we embrace AI as a silent partner, quietly working behind the scenes to make our dining more seamless? Or will we hold onto the human touch that turns a meal into a memory? The answer may lie in finding a harmony where AI assists but doesn't overshadow, where technology enhances but doesn't replace the warmth and creativity only humans can bring. So next time you're served by a robot, remember, the future of dining might be AI enhanced, but it's up to us to decide how big a role technology will play. The table may be set, but the final course is still being prepared. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the restaurant revolution. Bon appétit to the future.